morning. This is Suraj Singh. Let's talk on site engineers respecting the earthquake risks. Site engineer is very responsible authority on any site. He shares all the responsibilities of execution. I'm referring site engineer here, a person who is deployed as a site agent or project engineer or the site manager, whatever you could call that. He is responsible contractually to report the management of the company as well as to the consultant, and he has a lot of authorities on site. As far as earthquake management is concerned, he has no direct role to play with the designs, but execution part imports attention for his roles, particularly on the RCC building. What should he do? Let us discuss point to point. Let us say there are certain points of attention, points for attention on site, and site engineer should not decide anything by himself about an engineering decision on mistakes for any reason whatsoever. Many aberrations from quality compliance and their suggested solutions are noted like as such. You can say rusted and bent rebars are delivered to site or to fabrication yard. It should be avoided. Straight length without rust only should be used. Then rebars are placed on ground soil and not on good wooden or other supports without covering with polythene sheets. Precautions should be resorted to for good handling and storage. The point comes in, fabricated rebars are not properly sorted, tagged and stored in a shed or under protection from moisture contact. Right tracking should be maintained by designations of relevant elements. Rebar dowels may be forgotten to place in at various joint connections. Chemical anchors should be used for forgotten dowels. Do not chip concrete and insert small hoop. Drill shall be required to chemical anchors provision, and it should be done according to recommendation of the manufacturer, for example Hilti or Fosrock or anyone. I'm not taking any special name. Inserts or embedments of services at various locations may be missed. Approved shop drawings should be used for inserts, locations, as well as coordination should be affected for all structural details. Blockouts, or you can say services openings for various services may be missed due to negligence or due to overlooking. Approved shop drawings should be used to overcome such problems. Coordination should be done to the structural drawings. Sometimes, due to site negligence, certain concrete elements may be missed by overlooking. Structural drawings should be deeply coordinated with architectural drawings. Generally, facade drawings are forgotten. Many lintels too are overlooked. Opening or bulging of forms at 1/3 of height from pouring base is a common occurrence. Location requires strong resultant supports, which should be taken care of while considering concrete plans. Chipping should be avoided if feasible by providing strong supports. Honeycombing on surface is a common occurrence. Vibration should be applied tightly. Produce a smooth and nice surface. Concrete temperatures are not ensured in the range of 5 to 32 degrees Celsius. Concrete is done in temperature range about 35 to 42 degrees ambient. During higher temperatures as such, ice needs to be added if mercury is about 32 degrees Celsius. This thick elements or massive blocks should be within 24 degrees Celsius. Void formation in concrete is a common phenomenon or occurrence. Void areas should be chipped out to the strong concrete surface followed by remedial treatment application. Use recommended chemicals only, or fill the concrete in if it is practically possible by constructing letterbox type formwork. Exposition of rebars is a common occurrence. Mortar is pasted on those areas to hide exposed bars. This is bad. Concrete spacers should be placed very well all over to meet the requirements. Congestion of steel is generally seen, not accepted by site engineer. Not anticipated by site engineer. It should not be accepted. It should be discussed with design engineer. If workable, the better arrangement should be approved. Rebars are often displaced by the electrical conduits, fixtures. During conduit fixing, steel fixers should replace the affected rebars parallel to the conduits installations. For higher size bars, overlapping do not work perfectly. Mechanical connectors should be used. Generally, rebars that are more than 20 and above 20 better should be connected with mechanical equipments, mechanical connectors. For higher size bars, the overlaps do not work perfectly. It should be noted very well. It's a big question mark because overlap would not work. Hardened concrete is as a bad practice if it is cut or passing any small air conditioning duct, which has already been missed. No concrete should be cut without proper investigation by design engineer or by resident engineer. Excessive slump is not reported. Truly, no information should be concealed, but slump should be tried to be brought down by keeping techniques rotating for a couple of minutes if it works. Otherwise, it should be rejected. During concreting, pouring, due to delay, additional water is secretly added. No additional cube sample is taken for the added water batch. If it is allowed, special cube samples should be collected for confirmation of the strength test. Construction joint stop end is not readily available. Keeping in any emergency, stop end should be readily available, and if required, should be fixed on site immediately due to failure of any equipment or due to stoppage of concrete for any reason whatsoever. Construction joint is not correctly fixed. The location should either be indicated on drawing or should be agreed with resident engineer prior to the commencement of pour. Construction joint is not correctly hacked or stapled before new concrete is laid. Do not run fast but chip out the joint surface to expose aggregates by removing lattice and then proceed for laying concrete for any work. And standby viability is very important to be kept on site just to meet the requirement of vibration failure. And thank you very much for this video. Thanks.